This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging the Realme C11 above 20% and unlocking with your existing PIN or pattern. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Security and Privacy or Biometrics. Tap Fingerprint to begin enrollment. This step reads instructions so the sensor records properly. Make sure your finger is clean and dry. You'll see prompts and a progress ring. Follow them now. This prepares the phone and ensures the fingerprint reader gets clear data to reduce future recognition errors. Now you enroll your fingerprint by placing the pad of your finger on the rear sensor repeatedly. Press lightly, lift, and reposition to capture center and edges. This improves matching. Once done, rotate the finger slightly to record different contact points. If you use a screen protector case or gloves, register the same finger in the exact way you'll use it. Make sure the phone confirms progress. If it asks for more repeats, continue until the progress bar reaches completion, because that improves accuracy. Finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for screen lock and any supported apps, then lock the device and test unlocking 3 to 5 times. If recognition fails, re-enroll the same finger, add alternate angles or a second fingerprint. Once done, make sure features like app lock or payment unlock are set the way you prefer. If you run into trouble, clean the sensor, remove bulky cases or screen protectors, and update system software. These fixes usually restore reliable performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.